Hello everyone. Uh, this is a session. This is a video lecture on BBA program subject Principles of Management, first semester, Mangalore University, session 5. In this session, we will be going to discuss about process of management. In last session, we discussed about the functional concept of management and how the functions such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling used by managers to achieve the organizational objectives. The ultimate aim of this nature and process of management unit is to give introduction of management to the students and enable them to determine the characteristics, functions, and scope of management, and enable them to differentiate between administration and management, and and make them to understand the role of the managers. This session is aimed at enabling the students to make them aware of the process of management and how it is interlinked with the functional concept of management, how the functions are used as a process of management. To start with, management is a unique, distinct process. Distinct in the sense that is different from all other activities. It is concerned with the allocation and utilization of resources. The resources may be human or material resources. Management is sum total of all various activities or functions concerned with working in an organization. Management is a process of effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. According to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, to control. Thus, Fayol viewed the process of management consisting of 5 functions, which will be planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Management is a process of effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. In this slide, we will be seeing that management is a process where we use management functions as a process to convert the input such as men, material, machineries, methods, and money and markets to achieve the end result, which are our objectives. Uh, to achieve the objective may be achieving the maximum profit. What we'll do, we will use management functions such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling to achieve the objective end results, which will be discussed in upcoming slides. The objective may be goods and services desired by the customer. So we are using inputs as 6 M's to achieve the end results using the management functions. The management functions are so called the process of management. Here we use management functions as a process of management, and we have already studied in detail what are the management functions in previous session. So we'll look into what exactly the management process is in upcoming slides. In management process, as Henry Fell already told, is to forecast. So first thing to determine is the end result. What is that end result which we are going to achieve by management process? That is the objective of the firm. It is the objective of the firm. So first step, we are going to determine the aim, objective or goal of the organization. Next, we are going to formulate the plans and policies. After that, we are going to bring together various factors of productions, that we call it as organizing. So man, machine, material, money, methods, these are the various resources we bring together. So then once we bring all these resources, identify the activities to be carried out within the organization. Then we group the activities according to the similarities. Then we create the department. Then creation of authority and responsibility and a relationship within and among the groups, so that uh, they will work cordially. So after creation of authority and responsibility, we delegate authority to the people in that particular position, in that particular department. Next step, allocation of men to the department and training and development. Once the men are recruited for the department, they are trained according to the needs of the organization. Then communicating with the subordinates and motivating the subordinates. After men's are people are placed at their respective positions, respective post, in a respective structure, then superior has to communicate with the subordinates and has to motivate the subordinate to achieve the organizational goal. Next, exercise the proper control over the performance of various factors of production, comparing the actual performance with the planned performance, so that they can able to take corrective actions if there is any deviations. These are all the functions of management. So management is called as a process. Management is called process because it comprises series of functions that leads to achievement of certain objectives. It is a continuous process consisting of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. When manager reaches a last step, his job does not end there. He will again start the planning on the basis of his past observation and experience and his projection about the future. One cannot say manager will only do work when the job of planning is over. He performs various activities simultaneously to achieve the end results. So after planning, he will not do organizing. After organizing, he will not do staffing. He will do all the activities simultaneously within the organization structure. To conclude, management is defined as a series of actions and operations undertaken to achieve some predetermined objectives. Management, as we know, is a process of getting things done through others. This process is known as management. The process of getting things done through others is known as management. This process consists of functions such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. K.S. Adiga Principles of Management, Shubha Prakashana, T.N. Chabra, Principles and Practice of Management, 6th edition, Dhanpatra and Company, Coons and Weirich, Principles of Management, Essentials of Management, 10th edition, Tata McGraw-Hill, L.M. Prasad, Principles and Practice of Management, Sultan Chand and Sons, B.S. Raman Chandrasekhara, 2019, Principles of Management, 1st edition, New United Publishers, Mangalore.